Now I will show how to operate the wireless audio receiver with the call button. First of all, power on the wireless audio receiver. Don't press any key. Okay, now I will show how to save call button. First of all, don't press left key. You will show like this. Next, long press right key. You will show F1 and long press right key again. You will show 1, and this is the location for the call button. You can save the call button. The table number on this. This is table 1, table 2, table 3, and when you want to save the call button, just don't press the right key. When you show like this, you can press the call button. Okay, it has been saved. And next, save the other call button. You can save the table number as you need. For example, table 6, long press the right key and save the table 6 call button. Okay, it has been saved. Now I will show how to delete call button. Now I will show how to operate the call button with the wireless watch. When you press the call button, this is table 3. When you press the call button, the wireless watch will show the table numbers. It shows the table 3 is calling. Next, this is table 6. Press the call button. The wireless watch will show table 6 is calling. Now I will show how to delete call button. Long press the right key to sure that you has been noted. And now I will show how to delete call button. Long press the left key. And when it shows like this, don't press the right key. When it shows F1, don't press the right key again. When it shows F1, don't press the right key. It will show F2, don't press the right key. And it will show 1. This is the call button of table 1. Now I will delete the call button of numbers of table 3. Press the right key to the next. This is the table 3. Now long press right key to delete it. Okay, the table 3 have been deleted. Now next, table 6. Don't press right key. Okay, it has been deleted. Now when I press the call button, there is no reaction, so it is successful. Now power off the wireless watch receivers. Long press both 2 keys for 3 seconds. Okay, it has been powered off. That's all.